So, hi guys! Today I'm going to be doing a video of air conditioners. 2 air conditioners starting up and shutting down. And yes, these are my air conditioners. So, my dad's going to be helping turning it on, so go ahead. Yes, I just said go ahead. My dad likes lots of permission before he does something. But I like my dad. He's a good dad. Some sketchy wiring back there. Now sometimes once you hit the thing, the thermostat, and push on, it takes about 5 million minutes for it to actually turn on. Just so you know. So we might be waiting a long time, and then all of a sudden it turns on. And my dad will probably get back before the time that it turns on. Yep, he's back. You turned it on, right? Same thing you did? Just pushed the mode button until it goes to just cool.
I pressed the on button.
Where's the on button?
Right next to the off button.
There's no off button or on button. There's a heat, cool, and off button. Where's the on button?
Next to the off button.
But where's the off button?
Next to the on button.
Where is the off and the on button?
Right next to each other.
Yeah, but where are both of them?
Inside.
Inside where?
Not outside.
But on the thing, on the thermostat, are they?
On the thermostat.
Yeah, but where on the thermostat?
They're on it. Inside the thermostat.
Yes, but which button?
Which button what?
Just which button did you press?
I pressed the on button.
There's no on button.
Say right at the start.
There's no on button, by the way, guys. It's a mode button that you can turn on, but there's no on button. This is taking a while. Could you go check? Yep, so this is strange. And sometimes it randomly turns on. So don't be afraid if it randomly turns on. It's just an air conditioner. I think you can see the fan blades, right? Right? Right! I don't even know what I said there. Just say right, please. Right? I can spell it for you. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Any second, it should turn on. Wow, this is taking a while. Some sketchy wiring up there. Oh, your guys are sideways. Oh no, oh, that's weird. I can turn you and you're still facing the right direction. Just come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Just turn on. Come on, just turn on. Just come on. This is taking a while. This is a very wiggly fence. Hey, is it on? Huh?
Say this on.
Can you hear the air conditioner inside? Like, could you hold this? Don't push that button. Of course. Why does it look like it's going slow in the camera? That's weird. I just cleaned it, by the way. You can see it's wet around the edges. That took a while, but it did turn on. I'm going to feel the air. Ah, it's good. warm-ish coming out. Makes this weird noise though when it's wet. It's like an up-down pitch, like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, now shut off. Oh, and it's 2 air conditioners and it's a startup shut off. Ooh, excuse me. And then I'll check the refrigerant after it's off. Because my dad doesn't let me while it's on for some reason. Now. Used to. But now for some reason. Okay, I think you can go turn it off. Now, turning it off tends to be a little faster. I actually don't know what this sounds like when it turns off. I've only seen it turn off once, and it was because we were troubleshooting it. And the only reason why so I was troubleshooting with my friend Novin. You can see him on my old neighbor Novin video. It's a fire video. It's a short about my fireplace. And it's a good video. Short. So that line is hot-ish, and then the other line is cold and a little bit wet. I think it's condensation. That's why it's wet. And now we're going to go to the other air conditioner. Just grab my cover. I don't like filming videos with my cover on. So that's where I filmed my old neighbor Novin video. And we were troubleshooting the air conditioner, and we were trying everything, and we tried hitting it, and that didn't work, to just give it a little boost. So the other one's already on. That's nice. Can't check how warm the stuff coming out of the fan is. As you can see, this situation is a little bit more stuff. I also cleaned this one this morning. And I had to go to camp today, or summer school. Could you turn this one off? This you can do on your phone. This one, we upgraded the thermostat because it's a little newer than the other one, so the other one has a 2-wire thermostat. So, yeah. I'm gonna go over here where you can't hear it because I don't want you hearing the shut off because I think it's off. Ooh. Oh, don't turn it on yet. Okay, you can go ahead and turn it on. That big thing's still there. The grass is doing well. There's a sprinkler. My hose is still there. This one's newer. That other one was 2013. This is 2023. And then hopefully in 2033, which is, kind of a long time, we'll replace the 2013 one. And then in 2043, we'll replace the other one. Hi.
What are you guys doing?
A video. Why?
I'm heading out for dinner in a few minutes.
Okay. Love you too. Ah, whoa. Could you turn on the air conditioner, Dada?
I did.
You did? Okay, I guess this one takes a long time to turn. Does it say cooling? Can I see? Hey! Can I see? Ah. Okay. Gosh. Gonna. starts soon. Wait, show. So turning it off and turning it on too close together can cause damage, apparently. So you gotta leave it off for a little bit. I think it's because it'll start short cycling. If you don't know what short cycling is, it turns on for 2 minutes, then turns off for 1 minute, then turns off for 2 minutes, then turns on for 1 minute, then turns on for 2 minutes, then turns off for 1 minute. So it just short cycles. Gonna go up near it. Air coming out is decently warm. And then I'll check the refrigerant after it turns off. What even is that? What even is that? Oh my gosh. Those are some thick branches. Right? 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 Say right.
Mm-hmm.
Say right, please.
Yeah.
Not
You can probably have like.
prickly things. Here's the branch. It's a rosebush branch. A wild rosebush. Cool name. Could you turn off the air conditioner? Should turn off pretty quickly. There we go. This one, I'd say I like the Carrier one a little more. You know, that looks very cold and sweaty. Yep, that's R410A, it says. I think that's the refrigerant. R410A. Okay. I'm like, R410A. Okay. That's where the refrigerant goes. Everything. The drain line's a little clogged. I mean, it drips out, but barely. Oh gosh, what happened?